today I'm going to be drawing a cute pencil. Yeah, would you like to join me? Yeah? Okay, let's go! Did you know in the olden days people used breadcrumbs to erase pencil marks? Isn't that amazing? Alright, are you ready? Yeah, let's go! We are going to start with the tip of the pencil. It's going to be a sharp one like letter V, okay? Yep, your turn. Alright, and now we're going to make a curve just like this. Yep, and then we're going to color that in. Got it? Good job! Alright, so now we are going to make 3 small curves. Watch this first, okay? Yep, just like that. You got it? Cool! Alright, so now we're going to make straight lines on each side, okay? A long one like this. Got it? Alright, let's do it on the other side. Well done! Okay, so now let's make a curve to connect this and this, okay? Yep, just like that. Well done, everyone, and now let's make a small curve, okay, on each side like this. Okay, now let's connect them both. Alright, looking good. And now let's make another small curve on each side as well and connect them. Looking good. Okay, and now let's make the eraser part, okay? Going to make a curve just like this, okay? Watch this. Yep, just like that. Your turn. Okay, well done. And now let's add some eyes and mouth, okay? Let's make 2 circles. Good job! Now let's make more of those. And now let's add some smaller circles as highlights for the eyes. And now we can color it in black, okay? Alright, it's looking really nice. Now let's add the mouth. Let's add the smile, okay? Oh, it's looking super cute now. Oh yeah, before I forgot, the line from here to the eyes first, okay? And then we'll continue from the eyes to the top, okay? Okay, just like that, yeah. And then now from the top of the eye to the top of the pencil. let's do that to the other one, okay? Are you following along? Yeah? Alright, I think that's looking great now. All that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do it. That looks so good! Thank you so much for drawing together with me. I hope you had fun. Remember, if your drawings doesn't look the same as mine, that's alright. That's what makes your drawings unique and special. And remember, practice makes perfect. So please subscribe so that we can grow again together, okay? I hope to see you on the next one. Yeah. Alright, I hope you all have a great day. Keep on smiling and drawing, friends. Bye.